This video will walk you through the entire purchase order creation process, from initiating a purchase requisition to finalizing and approving the PO. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to streamline procurement, ensure accuracy, and optimize costs within your organization. Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating a purchase order in Strategic ERP. Creating a purchase requisition, generating a request for quotation and finalizing the purchase order. In the first step, we create a purchase requisition. You can create two types of purchase requisition. One is activity-based and the other one is non-activity-based purchase requisition. In case of activity-based purchase requisition, select PR date, project name, subproject, level type and activity. Based on the activity code, resources and estimated quantities will be automatically fetched. Details from the WBS activity will auto-populate in the material request entries. For a particular item, add details such as required quantity, required date. You can also select item brand and item specification. Add remarks if any. Click on the plus sign to add or delete multiple activities or items. In case where resources are not linked, you can go with non-activity based purchase requisition. Select project and subproject. Select item code directly instead of activity code. Data will be fetched from item master. Click on the plus sign to add or delete multiple items. Enter details such as required date, required quantity and item brand. You can also add details for item specification if any. Similarly, add remarks if necessary. Click on Save and the data will be sent for further approval. Once the purchase requisition is approved, the next step is to generating a request for quotation. Select the project name. Name of the company will auto-populate. Under process type, you can select either request for quotation or direct PO for creation of purchase order. In case of request for quotation process type, you can add multiple suppliers, whereas in direct PO type, supplier selection is limited to one. For direct PO type, select additional details such as PR number. Data is fetched from purchase requisition form. Based on PR number selection, data for quotation will be fetched automatically. You can decrease the secondary quantity if required, but you cannot increase it. Select a single supplier name in case of direct PO. Supplier count gets updated automatically. Under request for quotation type, select due date for submitting quotations. Save the data and the entry will be sent to the draft stage. Click on Send Amendment for approval and the data will be sent for further approval process. Click on Send for approval and data will be approved accordingly. In case of direct PO, data will move directly to PO drafting stage. In request for quotation type, you can view multiple supplier entries in comparative statement format. Click on Comparative Statement. Here you can view supplier entries in draft stage in a comparative statement form. Select a supplier entry. Enter details such as basic rate, discount amount, HSN code and tax code. You can also enter additional details like loading/unloading charges, freight charges and other charges. If applicable, select Yes for GST on these charges. You can add terms and conditions as per a specific supplier, specify credit term details, including payment days, rate of interest and GST. Click on Save and data will be saved automatically. Similarly, add details for all suppliers in the draft stage. Click on Print to view the comparative statement of any supplier. You can add recommendations if any, and print the updated supplier statement. When quotations from multiple suppliers are received, select one approved supplier. Other suppliers will automatically be marked as rejected. The final step is creating a purchase order. All details in the purchase order form will auto-fetch from the request for quotation and direct PO. In case of direct PO, add additional details such as basic rate, discount amount, HSN tax code, freight charges, load-unload charges, other charges. Under Terms and Conditions tab, select Terms Group Name. General terms will be fetched automatically. Edit or update terms as needed for the specific purchase order. Save the data and click on Send to verification. Data will be sent for further approval. Once you add all details in the purchase order form, click on Print. Your purchase order will get generated accordingly.